Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's Mike here. Hope you have a great day or night. Which one is it, day or night? Oh man, just been staying busy, staying focused here. Lots to do. Every day there's lots to do, honestly. It's never ending. But I am so proud of just my daughter, just accomplishments she's recently received, and just life's going good. There's no doubt about it, you know, and reselling is going good. The garage is slowly going, but it's going. So I'm really just excited about getting stuff done. I'm on my way right now to drop off some packages. And I gotta go to the UPS store, FedEx, and then I'm gonna probably hit up a couple thrift shops because I gotta return an item here, which I'll show you in a few. So with that being said, you know, a lot of people just look at life in so many different angles, right? A lot of people think, hey man, you know, my time's come. There's nothing left more for me to do, you know, and they get down on themselves, man. Depression and feeling sorry for yourself is actually it's a pretty common thing. And you know, I make these videos to hopefully encourage you to go out there and, you know, maybe it's put an extra $100 in your pocket every month or whatever it is with reselling, you know. And it's just, you know, you can't give up on yourself. It's pretty much what I'm trying to say. You just can't give up on yourself. You got to kind of grind it out. You got to plan it out and focus. That's it. It's that simple. Focus. Get her done. Get stuff done. So let's see what we do today. Got to hump this to the post office. So we got to go to the post office for these packages here. That's got to go to FedEx, and then that's a return. I got to return that VCR to Goodwill. I bought it yesterday, and it powers on, and everything seems fine with it, but it just will not play the tapes. So instead of me tinkering around with it, I figured let's just return it and see if I can find something else in the store and make some profit on. So I'm gonna head on over and take care of these little tasks for today. Oh yeah. Uh-oh, parked in the fire lane to drop off this package at the FedEx location. Hopefully nobody puts me on camera and throws me on YouTube for breaking the law. You never know what to expect when you're at the Salvation Army. Especially a dude playing guitar. Rock it out, bro. Rock it out. All right, just got back from the thrift store. I'm going to show you guys what I found. I think it's important when you're thrifting, depending on certain stores you'll never find these opportunities. But if you're going to, like, let's say, for example, Salvation Army, mom and pop thrift stores, and possibly some bigger chain stores, you might run into it. But I'm telling you, if you're not looking for these particular items, you're missing out because there's opportunity here. Let me show you what I picked up. All right, so here we have it. Paid $1 for this. It was $1.99. It was half off today. And basically what I'm talking about are these jewelry lot bags. You see them at thrift stores, and don't just think, oh, it's picked over, because this one isn't. Let me show you some of the items that did come out of here. Nothing crazy. You got like a dog chain or something. I don't know what that is. Maui. Nothing crazy. This looks to be a Twilight pendant. Maybe. I don't know. Got some earrings here. A little ring. Nothing crazy. This is kind of a cool necklace. Not sure what this piece is. And then we've got some of these here. This little necklace here, a little seashell necklace. This is kind of like a cool, like, longboard kind of necklace there. It's some little beads and looks like some rope. But here, so I'm digging through this bag, and I see this, which is nothing, right? This is sterling silver, nothing crazy. Silver prices, it's like 15 bucks an ounce. So there's, it's good to have in quantities, obviously. And that's where this is gonna go. I'll just take the package out and just put in a quantity of a hoard I've got. So I'm digging through this bag, but what I noticed when I didn't actually open the bag, I was just kind of going through it. I noticed this here, and I noticed a marking there. So I picked it up, and what I always have in my pocket is a loop, and I have a magnet here, all right? So let me pull the magnet off here with one hand so we can do that. Excuse me, my dogs are going crazy today. And I'm always just testing things, see? You know, you just do the magnet test first. Now, not everything is, if it's not magnetic, meaning it's gonna be gold or silver. So just by me grabbing this in my pocket, okay, what are you doing? This is crazy with you. Back to the reality. So I always have this in my pocket, and you know, I'm just always looking around for gold and silver. You never know when you find it. You can find it at estate sales, garage sales, flea markets, So that's why I bought this. For $1, I mean, you can't go wrong. This here, the chain is silver, the pendant's not. So let me show you a picture here of what this is stamped. So from the picture there, it's marked a 985, which is 98% purity of gold of 24 karat. The clasp is also marked there as well. So, you know, it's one of these things where just always be on the lookout. I've made some crazy money over 20 years finding gold and silver at particularly thrift stores, but also garage sales and flea markets. So even though all this is kind of just junk, which I'll end up probably just taking the majority of this and putting this as like a junk drawer lot, jewelry lot, and then probably selling these individually locally when I do the flea markets and garage sales. You know, $1 or $2 a chain. People pick them up. Same with these earrings. Maybe somebody might buy that ring for $1. But, you know, for $1, you can't beat this. And I'm telling you, if you've never gone through looking at these jewelry bags that these thrift stores have, you're missing out. They don't always know. They don't always catch everything. Things slip through the cracks. And some thrift stores, they don't really care. They just throw it in there. So at this particular thrift store I go to, I find a lot of it. And there's other people that I've seen buy big lots of jewelry here at this particular thrift store because they know there's going to be something in there. Matter of fact, the other day I went and there was a big bag of just jewelry, and by the time I went around the counter to go grab it, the lady already picked it up. So be on the lookout for this. You know, even if it's not your thing and you're like, hey, I look for the shoes and the clothes and that's what it is. This is easy money, man. This is commodity stuff. And you know, obviously, you know, gold is roughly, this piece here is about 1 gram. And, you know, I got these little scales that we can test stuff on. And, you know, I got a gold kit that can tell me with the acid tests. But I'm 99.9% certain this is definitely gold here. So we're at about 0.8 grams. So let's call it 1 gram of gold. About $38, give or take, $35. So not too bad here. I just wanted to make this short, quick video for you guys that are out there hunting and looking for treasures to never overlook these things, because I've made some crazy money over the years finding this opportunity. So appreciate you watching today's video. Next time I'm out of here, peace. Vlog over. Find that money. Dig through the treasures. And grab yourself a little bit of gold goodness. Are you excited for what I found, Pookie? Yeah? You're not going to believe it, huh? It's the craziness. All right, so let's see. Pookie says this is a good buy. I paid $1 for it. It was marked $1.99, and it was half off today. So what I'm talking about is chains, jewelry bags. Okay, can I finish the video? I appreciate the kisses. Oh my gosh, what's going on here? I'm trying to do a video. I'm trying to do a video, Kita. Can I do video? No? No video? Oh, jeez. I gotta finish the video. Hey. No. Oh. You're crazy, man. I'm trying to finish the video. Subscribe for more? Is that what you're saying? What are you saying? Is it the Pookie? What? It's a nut house, huh? Pookie? How long are we gonna play this game? I just want to make the video. How long do we have to play this, Pookies? Okay, let's try this again. All right. Can I just make the video? All right, let me try another angle here. I'm actually here. I'm not photoshopped into the thrift store scene. Check it out. The Salvo Army. Let's go in here and see if we can find some deals. Or better yet, some wheels, deals, and steals.
It is my pleasure to introduce the valedictorian of the class of 2019. That is Ms. Madeline Marie Franco. Madeline Marie Franco is the daughter of Kimberly and Michael Franco, Chicago natives. She has achieved great academic success throughout her high school career. She is the president of the National Honor Society this year at Vista Grande High School, where she has been named valedictorian of her class with the weighted cumulative GPA of 4.659. One piece of advice she would like to give the incoming class of 2023 is, always give your all, whether it's with school, work, or something in your personal life. Always try your hardest, and if you try your hardest and fail, don't let that discourage you. Continue to get up and try again, and you'll become the best version of yourself. Again, I present to you your valedictorian of 2019, Madeline Marie Franklin.